Ever try building furniture without the manual? Or maybe you didn't get a chance to read the manual and you realized that you needed an Allen wrench instead of a screwdriver. It not only makes you feel frustrated, but it delays you from getting started. Installing your Ikon device can have similar frustrations if you don't know how to set yourself up for success. To ensure a clean, effective installation, whether you're working with a wired or OBD installation, or a wireless device, there are a few non-negotiable best practices you should always follow. For example, always use insulated tools, especially when working with terminal installations. Metal wrenches can easily cause dangerous electrical arcing if they touch both power and ground points. Another best practice is to keep a backup stash of zip ties on hand. Each Ikon device is shipped with them, but breakages happen, and having extras will save you time and stress in the field. Beyond the actual tools, it's critical to maintain a mindset of care and attention. You should always check to make sure that you've secured the device properly and check for signal access. You should also avoid shortcuts, as a rush installation might work today but fail tomorrow, which could end up costing time, reputation, and possibly the safety of the device or vehicle systems. And sloppily installed devices also make it easier for thieves to find them and deactivate them, defeating the entire purpose of your hard work. Before your next installation, do a quick mental run-through of these best practices. Are your tools insulated? Zip ties ready? Weather-appropriated gear packed? Taking these 1 or 2 minutes now will help you avoid hours of trouble later. While this may seem like a lot, once you have experience, you'll start to learn the best places to put each device based on the car, make, and model.